Here is how to send an email in Gmail. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Gmail application on your mobile device, or you can also use the web version. Go to mail.google.com, log into your specific account from where you want to send an email. Then tap on Compose in the top left corner of your screen, and a new menu will appear where you need to go ahead and enter the recipient's email address in the top and enter a subject that you want to refer to. And below that, you need to go ahead and type in your message that you want to send to that specific person. Once you're done with everything, go ahead and tap on send from the bottom of the screen. But before that, you can tap on this attach file option and send any photo, video, document, or anything that you want to send. You can also go ahead and tap on this insert link option and then paste the link that you want to send. You can add stickers, insert emojis. You can also insert files using your Google Drive. You can insert photo and send it, and your signature, and then tap on this three dots over here. And here you can check your spellings. You can label this specific email. You can set up a time to meet. You can print this email and go through other different options over here. Now tap on send, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and the email will be sent to that specific person. Now to view the sent email, tap on the sent section, which is below snooze in the left-hand side of the screen. And there you'll see the number of the emails that you have sent so far from your account. And if you want to view the specific email that you just sent, go ahead and tap on the recent email that is available in this section, and you'll be able to view it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.